Have you ever wondered what really happens when one year ends and another begins? Beyond fireworks, countdowns, and celebrations, the transition from 2025 to 2026 is deeply connected to astronomy, timekeeping, human psychology, and science itself. In this video, we'll explore what this moment truly means, scientifically and culturally, and why it shapes how we think about new beginnings. Our idea of New Year begins with the Gregorian calendar, introduced in 1582. It's designed to match the Earth's real motion around the Sun, about 365.24 days. That tiny extra 24 is why we add leap years, keeping seasons aligned with dates. Without this correction, winter and summer would slowly drift across the calendar. The day comes from Earth's rotation, the year comes from Earth's orbit, and months evolved from both lunar cycles and historical adjustments. So when the clock strikes midnight, we're not just changing numbers, we're marking another completed journey around the Sun. Astronomically, year transitions remind us that time is connected to space. Around New Year, stargazers often watch meteor showers and planetary groupings. Sky events like these help scientists study patterns in space and help us appreciate our tiny yet meaningful place in the universe. Clear skies, dark locations, and patience reveal just how alive the night sky really is. Moments like this encourage curiosity, something at the heart of science. Here's something fascinating. The new year doesn't arrive everywhere at once. Because Earth rotates, countries celebrate hour by hour, moving west across the globe. Places like New Zealand ring in the new year first. Places like Hawaii celebrate it last. All of this is coordinated using UTC. Coordinated Universal Time, powered by incredibly precise atomic clocks. So while we cheer at midnight, the world celebrates in waves, one time zone at a time. The new year also affects the mind. Psychologists call dates like January 1st temporal landmarks. They make us feel like we have a clean slate, which is why so many people set resolutions. Even if only a small percentage keep them, the act of setting goals builds hope, reflection, and motivation. Powerful tools for personal growth. Scientifically, the end of the year also highlights ongoing environmental changes. Shifts in temperature, rainfall, and seasonal behavior remind us how connected we are to Earth's systems. Meanwhile, technology is reshaping how we celebrate. Virtual events, digital fireworks, and live global broadcasts allow millions to share the same moment, even from home. So as we move from 2025 into 2026, we're not just turning a page. We're witnessing an incredible blend of astronomy, science, culture, psychology, and technology, all wrapped into one powerful moment of change. And if you'd like to dive deeper into topics like these, with science-based explanations and helpful guides, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Thanks for watching, and here's to understanding the future with curiosity and purpose.